Ah, ay, naku, numbers na naman ang ituturo ni Mami,
Number.
Let's write let's write numbers.
What is happening?
Yes, di mo pa kasi alam mag-write ng numbers. Come on.
Huh?
Asan yung number 1 dito? Asan yung number 1? Anong color ng number 1?
Red.
Asan yung number 1 dito? Very good. Write mo nga. Teach muna kita, tingnan ko maigi. Then, very good. Anong next? Anong color? Anong next ng 1?
Pink. Pink.
Yes, 2.
It's color blue.
Yes,
Blue. Blue.
Yan.
Blue.
Asan yung takip niyan pala? Yes, sulat mo na yan. Hanapin ko yung takip niyan. Sige na. Write mo na niyan, Very good. Anong next? Ba't wala yung takip nito? Saan kaya nailagay? Anong next? No. Anong next dyan? Anong next? Ano tong number na to?
3.
Very good. Number na ka na.
Blue.
Blue. Baby blue.
This is blue. Blue. This is blue. Circle.
Very good. Anong next? Anong number ito?
4.
Very good. Asan yung 4 dito? Very good. Anong color?
Orange.
Wala nang sulat yung mga pentel. No. Pag ganito yan. 1, 2, 3. Ganon. 1, pababa. Tapos pahiga. Tapos, straight lang dito ko, straight. Ganyan. Next na letter. Anong number? Anong number to?
5.
Very good. Anong color?
1.
No. Dito ka mag-umpisa. Dito, tapos doon, tapos ganun. Okay? Go.
Okay.
Baba. Small. Dito. Small. Tapos, dito. Down. Higang line. Ganun. Ang nasulat ng number 5. Tapos, yung half circle. Very good. Anong next na number? Anong number to?
6.
Very good. Sulat mo nga yung 6.
6.
Anong color to?
Yellow, green.
Very good. Alam na niya ang yellow, green, Very good,
Yellow, green. Plus yellow, green.
Yellow plus green equals yellow, green. Sulat ka na.
Yellow, but
Ito na.
green makes yellow, green.
Very good. Careful. No, dito, diretso ka, tingnan mo, hindi mo talaga alam pa mag-write ng number. Write mo pa ulit, pag ganun, bilis. Write mo ulit. No, dito ka start, dyan. Ng number 6. Diretso. Ganyan, ng number 6. So, anong number to?
4.
No.
6.
No, 7. Yes, alam mo na to,
7.
Alam mo na yan, Saan mo na, malapit na tayong makagraduate sa
Green. Green.
7. 7.
7.
Kailangan dalawa yung kamay para 7, para alam niyang 7. Oh, anong next? Anong number to?
8.
Very good! 8. Yes. Ingay mo.
Pink.
Maingay. You don't do
Mommy.
that.
It's pink. Okay.
Ang sakit sa tainga eh.
The pink.
Yes.
Pink.
Very good. Circle. Maliit na circle.
It's like a snowman.
Yes, snowman. Snowman sa number 8.
Yeah.
Very good.
Another one.
Mm.
Big.
Big circle. Very good. O, anong next na number? What is it? What number is this?
8.
No, 8.
6.
8.
6.
No, 6 yun eh. 8. 7 yun eh.
8.
8 yun eh.
6.
O, count tayo.
1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Oh, what number is this?
10,
10 to eh.
6, 7,
9. No, to 9, no, 9.
9,
Kabaliktad ng 6 is 9. O, aral natin yan mamaya.
na,
Op.
what?
Yes.
Tingada, tingada.
Singare, tingare.
Ting, tingada,
Very good. Ay, anong number to? Yung last number.
8,
No?
9, 10.
Oh, bilangin talaga eh. 1 is 0 is 10. Okay? Last number ng 1 to 10.
It's pink.
Yes.
Blah. What
Pink.
is pink? Huh?
Kahit ano na dyan, yan na. Parehas lang yun. Ginamit mo yung pink pala. Saan mo hindi mo yun binabalik kay mommy? Pang-study mo yun eh. Very good!